The next evolution of the Internet. The Internet has undergone significant transformations since its inception. First, there was Web 1.0, a static and read-only Internet where users could only consume information. Then came Web 2.0, which introduced interactivity, user-generated content, and social media, allowing people to actively participate in online activities. Now, we stand on the precipice of Web 3, the next phase of the Internet's evolution. But what exactly is Web 3, and what makes it different from its predecessors? The basics of Web 3. At its core, Web 3 represents a fundamental shift in the way we interact with the digital world. It's often described as the decentralized web, and this decentralization is one of its defining features. Decentralization. Imagine the Internet as a vast network of computers and servers, with a few powerful entities holding the reins. In Web 3, the power dynamic changes significantly. Instead of a few central authorities governing the Internet, it's distributed across countless computers and users. This decentralization makes it incredibly challenging for any single entity or government to control or censor the Internet. Blockchain technology. Web 3's decentralization is powered by blockchain technology. Think of blockchain as an immutable digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Once a piece of information is added to the blockchain, it becomes permanent and tamper-proof. This technology provides the foundation for secure and transparent online interactions. Digital ownership and NFTs. In the Web 3 era, the concept of ownership takes on a whole new meaning. Thanks to blockchain, you can own digital assets with absolute certainty. This includes everything from virtual real estate in a metaverse to unique digital collectibles known as non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs have gained immense popularity, allowing creators to sell and collectors to buy one-of-a-kind digital items. Smart contracts. Web 3 introduces smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements with predefined rules written into code. When specific conditions are met, these contracts automatically execute without the need for intermediaries. For example, if you sell a digital artwork through a smart contract, the payment is released to you as soon as the buyer receives the artwork, eliminating the need for a middleman. Web 3 has its own digital currencies called tokens or cryptocurrencies. Unlike physical coins, these digital currencies exist solely in electronic form and rely on blockchain technology for security and transparency. They are used within Web 3 ecosystems to facilitate transactions, investments, and access to various services. The metaverse. One of the most intriguing aspects of Web 3 is the development of the metaverse. The metaverse is a virtual universe where users can interact with each other and digital environments. It's like a massive online playground where you can work, play, socialize, and even make money. People can create, own, and trade assets within this digital realm, blurring the lines between the virtual and physical worlds. Privacy and data control. Web 3 places a strong emphasis on user privacy and data control. Unlike the current Internet, where your personal information is often harvested without your consent, Web 3 gives you more control over your data. You decide who can access it and how it's used, providing a higher level of privacy and security. Open source development. Another key feature of Web 3 is its reliance on open source technology. This means that the underlying code of Web 3 platforms and applications is freely available for inspection and improvement by anyone. Open source promotes transparency and community-driven development, making Web 3 more trustworthy and resilient. Web 3 can be thought of as the Internet of value. It enables not only the exchange of information, but also the seamless transfer of digital assets. Whether it's buying a virtual piece of land in a metaverse or investing in a promising cryptocurrency project, Web 3 makes these transactions secure and straightforward. While Web 3 holds incredible promise, it is not without its challenges. Some of the hurdles that need to be addressed include scalability issues, making sure Web 3 can handle a large number of users and transactions, energy consumption concerns, as some blockchain networks are energy-intensive, and regulatory complexities, as governments grapple with how to regulate this decentralized landscape. Web 3 is still in its infancy, but it's evolving rapidly. The coming years will likely see the development of more user-friendly applications and platforms that make Web3 accessible to everyone, not just tech-savvy individuals. As it matures, Web3 has the potential to revolutionize how we conduct business, interact online, and even define our sense of ownership and identity in the digital age. In summary, Web3 represents the next phase of the Internet's evolution, offering decentralization, blockchain technology, digital ownership, smart contracts, tokens, and the metaverse as some of its key features. It promises a more user-centric, privacy-conscious, and secure online experience. While challenges exist, the potential for positive change and innovation in Web3 is vast. So keep an eye on this exciting transformation of the Internet, because the digital world as we know it is about to undergo a significant upgrade.